Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate caption in InShot. So if you want to generate captions for your video in InShot, here is a quick guide and a simple step on how to add a caption to your video. So let's go. So if you want to do that, just make sure you tap on the T icon right in front of your screen. Tap on the T icon, which is the text. Then from there, tap on this caption button. Then you can select the language for your caption if you want. So I'm just going to simply tap on the English. Then from there you can now start. You can also use all this template for your caption. So it is more fashionable to use the default settings, or you use a classic style. So once you do that, then now tap on start. You can also toggle this on, which is remove all existing caption. If there's an existing caption in the video you're trying to edit and you want to add a new caption to it, you can just tap on these features and remove the existing captions in the video. So once you do that, then start. And there is some you need to have this at the back of your mind, that these features in InShot is for paid, and you can use these features by just simply watch an ad or try and pay for it so that I can have access to this. But it actually works. If you want to use it, you can also use ad. You can watch ads just to have access to pro version of these features for just a limited time. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.